the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment, and today the stock is down 5%, trading at $11.43. But that's just part of the news. If you guys remember, on May 11th, Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment announced that they will be acquiring Redbox Entertainment. That sent the stock of Redbox Entertainment soaring, heading to the moon. And on May 24th also, we have Redbox Entertainment that announced that they are acquiring the North American rights to a World War II action drama, Come Out Fighting. So if you look at your screens, you can see that over the past 5 days, even though Redbox Entertainment Inc. is showing a drop of 4.50% today, trading at $11.47, the stock has essentially been trading sideways over the past 5 days. So that is crucial because it could mark the a reversal of this bear market in which we are right now. If you look at the monthly, you can see that Redbox Entertainment has just been heading upwards and has almost doubled over the past 1 month. So today's volume of 5.5 million shares that have exchanged hands so far, with about 5 hours left to the close of market, is quite healthy, with the average volume on a typical day being about 21 million shares that exchange hands. The company is now has a market capitalization of about $500 million. Previously, Redbox Entertainment closed at $12.01 and today opened at $10.83. So it has actually made quite an impressive gain because it's trading now at $11.42. The 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment is from $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. And if we spread even further out, you guys can see here, it actually hit the 52-week low sometime in March this year, and from there it's just been going upward. So do be careful. We might have actually bottomed out and we are actually heading upwards, but it's not yet apparent. So if you are doing any trades in the market, please look for those stocks that are heavily hammered and they have a lot of headroom, and that way you can get you can ride the stocks up as the tides come in. So for a stock like Redbox Entertainment, you guys can see that we are just a little bit below the halfway from where it was the 52-week high, which is $27.22. So at $11.46, we are just below half of that. So there's still quite some headroom to be made. But I think the most gains came from the people who invested just about a month, or 2 months ago, and around March, and they are the ones who actually have made out really handsomely with Redbox Entertainment. So that's what I had to share with you guys. Just be very mindful. I think from here going on, Redbox will slowly but certainly head upwards, and it might flow under the radar. It might fly under the radar because it's not so apparent. If you look at the 5-day graph, for example, or even today, it's showing 4.58. But if you spread out to the monthly, there you start seeing a different picture, that the stock is actually on an upward trajectory. So thank you for your time, and I will jump off here so you guys can put in your trades for the day. We still get about 1 or 2 subscribers per day on the channel. We hope to see more people subscribing. So if you haven't done so yet, guys, please consider smashing that subscribe button and joining us on this train as we head towards 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November. Thank you for your time, and bye.